Topics to be covered: blood composition and coagulation, structure and pumping action of heart, blood vessels, pulmonary and systemic circulation, heartbeat and pulse, rhythmicity of heartbeat, blood-related disorders, ECG, pacemaker, lymphatic system. Do you know how the nutrients and oxygen are supplied to every part of the body? You know that even a small cut on the body causes bleeding. After some time, blood clots and prevents excessive loss of blood. Blood transports all nutrients and oxygen to every cell. The system in which blood is circulated throughout the body is called circulatory system. Closed circulatory system was discovered by William Harvey, 1628. In this chapter, you will study the structure and functions of different organs of circulatory system.